What up, what up, what up? Squad up. I had to come through this morning. I just got done from rewatching the movie Panther. You know, some of y'all remember the movie Panther came out in '95. And I'm sitting over here and I'm mad as fuck. I'm mad as fuck because just like in the movie, that boy Judge, the traitor, Judge, that's Ticket TV. That's too raw for TV. Town Biz, LB, and the rest of you fuck niggas. Y'all that boy Judge off the movie. Y'all the traitors, the infiltrators. And just like in the movie at the end, when that fat ass white man, when he didn't have no use for Judge, what'd he do? He told him to run. When that white man didn't have no more use for Judge, after everything had blew up, and how the drugs that's in our community today was coming through, they was on their way. All this hard, soft, all this shit, it was on its way. The bitch ass, fat ass white man, he tried to so-called have a heart at the end, but it was too late. The flood was coming. Then you had AJ Johnson. Shout out to AJ. Y'all know he played Ezel and Friday. He was the nigga in the movie that the white man was pushing that dope through. Him. Y'all see, he came through and killed Bobby Brown. Yeah. I need for some of y'all to go back and watch that movie. Because it's a lot of traitors on YouTube. Just like Judge in the movie. Just like AJ Johnson played in the movie. And he was the one with the dope. That's Ticket TV. The white man that was giving AJ in the movie the dope, that's Skip Bayless. You niggas, man, you niggas is traitors to the community. What the Panthers built, they had an infiltrator and infiltrators in there to help bring it down. It's just like you niggas here on this YouTube shit, man. I just got done from watching that movie for the millionth time. That shit got me feeling some type of way. You niggas, y'all traitors, man. We don't need y'all. We don't need y'all niggas a part of the community. We don't need half-ass black people. Shout out to the Renegade for saying that under the comment. We don't need no half-ass black people. It's neither you in or you out. How the fuck did black people let a white old motherfucker like Skip Bayless sit up and talk the way that he talked? With no accolades, not nothing. And he was able to sit up there and say what he said to Shannon Sharp. Oh, KD, Kevin Durant. I got a video for you too, pussy.